friends, welcome to my new class of tropical mocktails. As the name suggests, tropical means we are using all the tropical fruits in this, which are loaded with vitamin C, like lemon, orange, pineapple, mango. So all are very, very refreshing. And the best part of these mocktails are they are super easy and quick to make. So it's an easy way to entertain your guest. I would say easy and smart way to entertain your guest. Instead of you being in the kitchen, you can immediately make the mocktails and serve them. That is the beauty of these mocktails. And all these mocktails which I am teaching in this class are one of the most loved mocktails. So सबसे ज़्यादा डिमांड में होते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स में, सबसे ज़्यादा लव्ड होते हैं एंड यू विल रियली enjoy making these mocktails. So let's start with today's class of tropical mocktails.